Imagine standing before an impenetrable fortress with nothing but your voice and your feet as weapons. No siege weapons, no battering rams, just a divine plan. Welcome to the story of Joshua and the Battle of Jericho, a powerful lesson in faith, obedience, and God's incredible power. After 40 years of wandering in the wilderness, the Israelites finally stand at the threshold of the Promised Land. Under the leadership of Joshua, Moses' successor, their first major obstacle looms large: the fortified city of Jericho. Jericho wasn't just any city. It was a military fortress known for its towering walls and strong defenses. Taking this city seemed impossible by human standards, but God had a different strategy. God tells Joshua, "March around the city once a day for 6 days. On the 7th day, march 7 times, blow the trumpets, and shout." Strange? Absolutely. But Joshua obeys without hesitation. He trusts God's word, even when the plan makes no military sense. And the people? They follow. No complaints, no debates, just faith in action. On the 7th day, after the 7th march, the priests blow their trumpets, the people shout with all their might, and the impossible happens. The mighty walls of Jericho crumble to the ground, not by sword, not by force, but by obedience to God's command. Jericho falls, and the Israelites gain their first major victory in the Promised Land. What can we learn from this ancient battle? Faith sometimes looks foolish to the world. God's ways are not our ways. What seems irrational can be the exact path to victory. Obedience opens the door to miracles. Joshua didn't question the plan. He followed it. And through obedience, the miraculous became reality. Victory is God's, not ours. The Israelites weren't the heroes of Jericho. God was. He brought the walls down. What walls are you facing today? Walls of fear, doubt, failure, or uncertainty. The story of Jericho reminds us, when we trust God and walk in obedience, even the strongest walls can fall. This is more than a Bible story. It's a life lesson for every battle we face. March on in faith. The victory is already God's.